Hi guys, you like what you see? Talk your truth. You don't like what you see? I know so you like My name is Favor Matthew, also known as Smile Maker herself. Get, they play! Wipe me, reach me, they play. So I'm going to be taking you backstage on how I could achieve something like this with DIYs that I made. Thank God for NEPA. If to say NEPA not bring this light, this DIY I forget as a bill. But you know, I'm sorry, the pidgin English just comes. But as at the time I'm filming this content, there was light, so with the help of electricity I was able to the help of power actually empowered the English get as a bill. True. Let's say now they carry translator for this app. So as at the time I was filming this content, there was light, so you understand. If your jack na fake background, no wala, you understand. But if your jack na hi guys, welcome to my channel, yeah, yada yada yada, so many things like this, you go need this kind setting, you understand. And it's easy, it's cheap, it's a go-to something adult. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. So this is the corner of my room we are going to be working with. It's quite messed up, so I'm just going to move things away from the table and of course clean it up. So I got this LED light from an electronic store, but for some reasons it's refused to stick to the wall. So I'm just going to apply my candle gum on it and stick it round the table, hoping that as at when I might be filming the content, they may be light. So here comes the frame of our DIY softbox. Yay! So of course we're going to be working with our DIY lampshade, and for color manipulations we are going to be using different colors of cups. And this is the bulb that I use for the softbox and the colored cups as well. I have 3 of them. This particular one, I am going to be wrapping it with this yellow nylon so that it is going to be less intense and it's going to give a more softer and warmer look. I wanted to use this initially, but I later changed my mind. So this is just me doing the color manipulations, just trying out different colors to see how it actually looks. So this is it. So this DIY name tag, I actually did it I think 2 weeks before I initially started posting on YouTube. So if you want me to recreate this, just say it in the comment section. But I used CD plates to, just carve out the letters and make something out of it. So this is how it looks and I like it. So this is me basically just attaching the lights that I covered with nylon to this soft box stand. There's this little hole that I put in the middle so the light can go through it and hook at the back. So this is me just arranging my tripod at the side of the soft box. Please ignore the wrapper, sometimes I don't understand myself. So that's the corner where I hang my phone, and I try to position myself at the middle and yada yada yada. That is me just preparing to film, you understand. Let me just connect my mic. This is my mic, that people are asking. This is the mic I am using. Let me connect it so that you hear what I'm saying. So what I went ahead to do is to hang a Christmas light to the wall. And note, see what I did with this bottle. I just found this bottle outside, so I just squeezed the Christmas light inside. I really like what's going on here. And remember, I was putting this fancy light that I bought at the back of my is this desk table, at the back of my table, and I was hoping that there will be light, and there is light. And for our lamp, so It has to be a lamp. Oh, my DIY lamp. No, it can never lose its relevance. So it's here. It's going to be right behind, just by my side here. This way is going to be. Let me. Kai, be like say this thing that the gum that they come out so shoe. Oh, I'll fix it later. Oh, but let it just be right by my side there. Let me check if it's showing. It is show. It is show. Yes, it is show. So let me get a torch for that. One of these lights that I got. 1 minute. 1 minute. So I've gotten a torch. Which cup am I going to use now? Okay. I'll use one of my torches. Remember how I was manipulating the colors earlier? So this is light on, and this is the color I want it to be. So it is just for me to fix the light to the stand, just to shook it into this hole. Shook, put anything. And now this is the cup. I'm just going to put it in and put the light. Oh, I like what's going on there. I like what's it's fine. So now, because there's light, I am going to go ahead and on our LED lights that is at the back. No, I actually off the entire light in my house and went ahead to on the LED light. No, okay, what am I even doing? So I've off the lights now. I'm just going to plug this light that I bought. Chai, omo, it choke. You dey see am? You dey see am? It makes sense, abi? The entire eye, abi? So now I'm just going to go ahead and on this light that is going to be facing my face. Yes, and I'm going to position this in the middle, just to be sure. No vex now, let me do this thing, so it's not easy. So that's, and I'm going to sit in front of my attire. I'm currently sitting in front of my DIY softbox and my DIY tripod. I did not say don't buy these things if you can afford it. Please, by all means, buy it. I cannot be using 3 days and doing softbox if I had the money to buy softbox at the craze shoe. That's how I suffer. Please, if you can afford these gadgets, go ahead and buy it. Buy it. These DIYs are for situations where, okay, maybe you cannot afford it, or you just want to explore your crafts. So kind people get talent, you understand? Some people are very creative. They will never even know until they try it, you understand? So I say I go make up for this video, but like this now around 10 o'clock, you understand? I know do makeup, I call they go they find I want to clean and come out, you know, get the way it will be. So manage me like this, but at least you get the check. Hey God, no vex. I said I wanted to do makeup, but you know it's late and I don't want to be, you know, looking for I beg, you get the point, Abby. Now that you have seen how I made this possible, please don't forget to subscribe and share and do all those good stuff, you understand, so that the algorithm is going to push this content to more people and more people are going to benefit from it. That's I don't go. Bye bye.